Ready for your next outdoor adventure? Let's make sure you're packed with all the essentials. First up, navigation tools. Don't forget a map, compass, and a GPS device. They can be lifesavers. Next, shelter and sleeping gear. Pack a sturdy tent, a warm sleeping bag, and a comfy sleeping pad. Clothing is crucial. Layer up with moisture-wicking base layers, insulating jackets, and waterproof outer layers. And of course, sturdy hiking boots. Food and water, absolutely essential. Carry plenty of water, a filtration system, and high-energy foods like trail mix and jerky. Safety first. A well-stocked first aid kit, multi-tool, fire-starting equipment, and an emergency shelter can make all the difference. Don't forget personal items like sunscreen, insect repellent, and biodegradable toiletries. Finally, plan ahead and test your gear before you go. Stay hydrated, layer your clothing, and leave no trace behind. For all your outdoor gear needs, visit Tac Essentials. Gear up and get out there. Happy adventuring!